Plant FAQs. Aglaonema golden fluorite. Aglaonema golden fluorite, your guide to this stunning houseplant. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema golden fluorite, a truly captivating houseplant prized for its vibrant foliage and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for this dazzling gem. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is the Aglaonema golden fluorite? The Aglaonema golden fluorite is a stunning cultivar belonging to the Aglaonema family, commonly known as Chinese evergreens. It boasts a unique visual tapestry. Imagine lush, deep green leaves splashed with vibrant streaks of golden yellow, often boasting a contrasting pink midrib. Each leaf presents a masterpiece of nature's artistry, making it a conversation starter in any room. Is the Aglaonema golden fluorite rare? The golden fluorite isn't the most common Aglaonema variety, but it's not exceptionally rare either. With a bit of searching at plant nurseries or online retailers, you should be able to find this beauty to grace your home. How do I care for my Aglaonema golden fluorite? Here's the good news. The Aglaonema golden fluorite is a low-maintenance plant, perfect for busy households. Let's delve into the key aspects of its care. Light. This beauty thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Aim for consistent moisture but not soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture formulated specifically for houseplants or create your own by combining potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark for optimal drainage and aeration. Temperature and humidity. The golden fluorite prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. It also appreciates moderate humidity levels. If your home leans towards the dry side, consider using a pebble tray or humidifier to create a more congenial environment. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. However, this isn't mandatory for healthy growth. How is the Aglaonema golden fluorite different from other Aglaonema varieties? The Aglaonema family boasts a diverse range of cultivars, each with its unique charm. Here's a quick comparison with a couple of popular varieties. Aglaonema Silver Queen. This variety features silvery white variegation on deep green leaves, creating a striking contrast. It requires slightly brighter light than the golden fluorite. Aglaonema Red Emerald. As the name suggests, this variety showcases stunning shades of red on its foliage, often alongside green variegation. It tolerates lower light levels compared to the golden fluorite. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal preference and the light conditions in your home. Is the Aglaonema golden fluorite toxic? Unfortunately, like most Aglaonema varieties, the golden fluorite contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be mildly toxic if ingested. It's best to keep this plant out of reach of children and pets. Troubleshooting common Aglaonema golden fluorite issues. Brown leaf tips. This can be caused by underwatering, low humidity, or excessive fertilizer use. Adjust your watering routine, increase humidity, and avoid over-fertilizing. Droopy leaves. This is often a sign of overwatering. Check the soil moisture and allow it to dry slightly before watering again. Lack of new growth. This could be due to insufficient light or nutrient deficiencies. Ensure your plant receives adequate indirect light and consider a light application of fertilizer during the growing season. By observing your plant and understanding its needs, you'll be able to address any issues that may arise and keep your Aglaonema golden fluorite thriving. Conclusion. The Aglaonema golden fluorite is a stunning and easy-to-care-for houseplant that injects a touch of vibrant life into any space. With its minimal maintenance requirements and captivating foliage, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a low-fuss beauty to add to your collection, the Aglaonema golden fluorite is definitely worth considering.